So today I have another holiday treat that me and my family enjoy, and I wanted to share the recipe. This is super, super duper easy. You literally need three ingredients. It's a popcorn recipe. It is great activity for you and your kids to do together as a family, and you can eat together, or you can package it and actually give it out as a gift. And it's super personable. You can make it how you want it, add what you want, take what you don't want out. So come with me and let's cook. Hi everybody, my name is Anastasia and welcome to my channel. If you've been here before, thank you so much for coming back. And if you're new, come on and make yourself at home. Here we talk about everything. So happy holidays, happy Christmas, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and all that good stuff. So it's a popcorn recipe, like I said. All you need is popcorn. You can get store-bought popcorn and pop it in the microwave, or you can pop your own popcorn. I pop my own popcorn only because, I don't know, it tastes better. So this is home popped popcorn, but in any popcorn will do. And you need white chocolate. I only have like the little kiss shaped ones, but if you have the circular ones, I think it's like it comes like in like tablet form, or you can just get regular white chocolate and chop it up. The only reason why you want it in small pieces is because we're gonna melt it. So you want it to be able to melt faster. That's the only reason why. And it doesn't have to be hot chocolate. You can use regular milk chocolate or dark chocolate, depending on the taste that you want. Or if you're giving it out as a gift and the person doesn't like hot chocolate and prefers dark chocolate, you can use that, or milk chocolate. And then you're also gonna need peppermint crunch. So I was able to get this at TJ Maxx. They had it in a package already, but if I don't find this, I just usually use regular candy cane, and then I will crush it. So this one I'm actually gonna crush because even though it's crushed, it's not as tiny as I will want it to be. So what I do is that I just get like regular parchment paper, and if you're buying parchment paper, get the unbleached one because it's just better. So I get parchment paper just like this, and then something to kind of pound on it. And I'm gonna open up my peppermint candy cane and just pour as much as you want. So I'm gonna do a mixture of tiny, tiny crunches and medium size. So this is gonna be the tiny ones, and I'm just gonna get it to be as small and as tiny as I want. And this would be great if you're doing it with your kids and just have them crush the candy cane. I mean, it's so fun. Yep. So now it's a little bit more finer, and that's how I want it. So it looks like this, and you can always sample. Yum. So this is a holiday treat. This is not something that you're supposed to eat throughout the whole year. Once a year as a treat is fine. Okay, so this is done. Popcorn is done. And then the last thing we're going to do is melt the chocolate. So we're going to melt the chocolate and we're going to drizzle it on the popcorn, and then put the crunchy peppermint on top of it. And if you don't like peppermint, you can use peanuts or any kind of nuts. As a matter of fact, you can use any kind of chocolate, personalize it depending on who you're giving it to or your own personal preference. And it comes out delicious, and it's very easy. Just three things: chocolate, nuts, or peppermint. I just like the color because it's the holiday. So, why not? And popcorn, and that's it. All right. So we're going to melt the chocolate now. This is how we're going to melt the chocolate. Hot pot of water on the stove to get it boiling just like this. And then you're going to put the chocolate in any kind of container that you want that can withstand heat. And you're going to put it on just like this. And we're going to melt it. And as you can see, it's already melting like this. I mean, if you want the easy way out, I think you can, put it in a microwave, but I just like the slow method of doing it. Kind of control the heat. It doesn't get burned. It just gets nice and melty. You want small pieces of chocolate because it just melts faster. I think we're good. It's pretty much melted, nice and creamy. So we're going to get this off the stove and then we're just going to put everything all together. We have our popcorn here. Oh, this is hot. Make sure you're careful. This is hot. So grab it with something and you're just going to pour the chocolate all over it. Looks delicious, doesn't it? Now that you poured the chocolate in here, you're going to mix everything in. I should have gotten a bigger bowl, but that's okay. I'm going to taste test. The salt from the popcorn and the sweetness of the chocolate, delicious. We're good. And then the final little touch is you're going to go in with your peppermint. So you're just going to sprinkle the peppermint all over. And shake it, shake it, shake it. Just like so. And that's it. So good. The mint. I've practically eaten my share while I was making it. It's that good. It's the perfect snack during the holidays. You could just make it and put it on the table. Good for movie nights. Anything, really. Good for a gift. And there you have it. And then you're going to plate it. Of course, something cute. Sticky chocolatey fingers. Yum. Just put it on the table and everybody can, pick and go and whatever. But this is what it looks like. Very simple, very easy. Try this recipe. You can add or subtract anything you want, and your family and your friends will love it. Thank you guys for watching as always, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.